Watch out behind you!
Oh, cut it out! You're making me sick! I just ate!
Well, did you destroy the wretched sidekick?
The mortal lives. Pigface failed. But Pigface fault.
I'm surrounded by incompetence!
Put it in drive! Use the shift, you bacon brain! It's that stick over there! Careful! Now put in the clutch! Not the brake, you moron! The clutch!
Driving hard. Pigface doing the best he can.
Well, maybe your best just isn't good enough.
You wanna drive?
No, you pork rind! I said right! No, not like you stupid pig!
You think Dum Duff come here?
Could be. Maybe he'll get help from Ace's sidekick.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what a drag! If only we had masks, we'd blend right in.
Trick or treat. Candy corn. You not real. You not Ace Lightning.
You're really going overboard with Halloween, Wayne. I'm out of here.
Pigface not want this candy. Pigface wanted candy corn.
It can't happen.
Candy corn.
Get in there, you porcine puffball! Suck it in, you slithering swine! Put your back into it!
Pigface big. Not Pigface fault. Oh.
Blimey, what a stench! After you, piggy. Get in there, rump roast.
Pizza.
Forget the tip.
Pigface like pizza. Pigface eat pizza. Pigface happy.
Shut up, you fool.
Back for more? Thanks for the hospitality, Fear.
You bumbling swine! You let him escape with another piece of the amulet!
Not Pigface fault. Pigface toe hurt.
Shut up!
Ice cream almost gone. Pigface full. Pigface happy. Pigface want cake.
Oh! What kind of name is that? Can't you control your snot, you walking rup? Not at me, you stupid pig! Piggy! Piggy, don't leave me hanging here! Oh, that is disgusting!